Hi, it's Nicole from Stillwell Ford, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the paddle shifters in your Ford. So there's two ways that you can do it. The way I like to do it is dropping it into manual and then doing it starting straight away. So I'm just using the buttons on the sides of your steering wheels here so you can change your gears automatically. So your right hand over here is to bring the gear up and left hand is to pull it back down. And you can watch your revs on your screen. So just down here on the digital cluster, you can see that it's showing you manual and then what gear you're in. So you can see I'm changing down into gear 3 and then pulling it back up when the little arrow is popping up to show me I need to move up the gear. So to finish using your paddle shift when you're in manual, all you have to do is pull the gear back up into drive, and now you're back in automatic. You can see a little D on the screen there to show you that. So now I'm driving, and you can see because I'm back in automatic, it's just got the D back in drive on the digital cluster. So the other way to use your paddle shift is to simply just start using it while you're on the road. So while you've got your hand on the steering wheel, just clicking up and it'll pop up with a number on the screen. So you can see I'm in 6 at the moment, D6. So here I'm in 4, back up to 5. And then to stop using it, just stop using the buttons. And you can see it's gone back into automatic. So that's how to use the paddle shifters in your Ford. If you have any more questions on how to use the paddle shifters or any other questions about using the features in your vehicle, don't forget to comment them below. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.